What is up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at not a gun, but rather an accessory. This is Victoptics' take on a modern ACOG. Now, I don't know exactly what that means, but I guess it falls under that category. However, today we are going to be looking more at the question of, are ACOGs even viable for Airsoft? I mean, everyone just uses their LPVO scopes or their basic red dots. Why change it up? To figure this out, we're going to be doing some first-person POV as well as lots of gameplay, and at the end of the video I will give my personal opinion on which roles would best utilize an ACOG, as well as if you should even bother with an ACOG. As per usual, we will be playing at Freedom Airsoft in Tucson, Arizona. Very great field and very great people who play there. Go ahead and check them out. And with all that said, hope you guys enjoy the video. This first game mode we will be playing is a variant of zombie tag called Infected, which is the same thing, but with guns. Ah, sí, no. Did you already get hit?
He's straight through here.
Oh, okay.
He was over in the hill house. I got it.
Let's go to the left.
Oh, hit!
Are they pushing from that right side over there?
I hear somebody back there.
All right, sounds good.
Looking on this wall.
I think there's one or two zombies in the brown chaos to your right. Hey, they're coming on over there! This next game mode will be squads, which is your Battle Royale Warzone type-esque situations.
Alright, here's the plan. One person's going to be positioned on the helicopter, one person's going to be watching our flank on the left, and one person's going to be watching our flank on the right. That's the left, that's the right. I messed it up. I'm watching you, Brad. They're still hiding in there. I'm move around. Did you get one? Got one, got one. Hey, watch for the revive. Got another one. Hey, they're all dead, they're all dead. Hey, nice job, guys, keep it up. I see him.
Connor, I'm gonna break for over there so I can get a better view.
All right, I'm covering you. Hey, Conrad, move. I see him. Getting shot at. Oh, this way. The helicopter's right there, but move back to where Brad is. All you have to do is run, I'll cover you.
They're coming in from the right. Connor, get over here. No, go, go, go.
Now, now, now!
Get down. Can you revive him?
Yeah, I can. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 5, 4, 1,000, 5,000. Get down, get down, get down, get down. Yo, Brad, we need some cover fire. Hit. Just run behind me. Run behind me.
1,000, 1,000, 1,000.
Okay. Hey, Brad, just start shooting when I'm running, all right? Hey, pushing up. He's pushing up. Hey, stay there, stay there, stay there. All right, we're all done. Want to try and go to Octagon, RV, then Kill House?
Sure.
All right. So our plan is to run, okay?
We're gonna get drilled here in a second.
Not if you run fast enough. All right, you ready?
Where are we going?
At the Octagon, those planks, and then straight to that brown Kill House. Ready?
All right. Yep.
3, Conrad, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
After using the ACOG for a couple of matches, this is my final deduction on whether or not you should get an ACOG for your airsoft gun. First of all, the cons of using an ACOG. The cons are that it has very small eye relief. You have to be pretty close to the optic for you to see anything, which means that you're going to have some pretty slow target acquisition since your ADS is going to be that slow. Second of all, it is very bulky and very hard to do CQB with. I mean, my AK is CQB legal, so I can go into CQB houses. I didn't even want to go in there. I mean, the ACOG and its magnification was way too much for any CQB situation. If you play at a CQB field, never do not get an ACOG. I'm telling you right now, it is not going to be fun. However, if you play at an outdoor field, this will be a dream. I was able to get kills so much farther than I usually would with my typical red dot. Mix that in with some .2 weight BBs, you could probably start using this as a sniper or something. And then second of all, of course, it looks awesome. I mean, it's an ACOG. You have this on every single video game on any piece of media. It makes any gun in your collection look like it's straight from Call of Duty. It is, if you play at an outdoor field, it is definitely worth the $90 to get your cheap ACOG or something. So, as a final recommendation to people who want to buy an ACOG, I would only suggest buying an ACOG if you play at an outdoor field regularly. If you go to any CQB field, I do not suggest getting the ACOG. Keep in mind that instead of buying an LPVO scope and buying an ACOG, you would be trading off the zooming feature that you would have on your typical LPVO scope. Every ACOG that I've seen has a fixed magnification, which means that it is only going to be in the magnification that it says on the box, and it can never change. So if you ever want to go into a CQB house or try to reach farther with it, you're going to have to stay at the same range that you usually would be using with your ACOG. So keep that in mind, and I hope this video helps anyone that's looking into buying an ACOG. Hope to see you guys in the next video.